I'm Lee, and I have been on the academy for about 5 months now. I find it really good. It's giving you, it's given something to achieve, like new goals in life, new challenges. But I'm finding like the academy really good. The really good thing about it is networking. So when you do have a problem, there's always someone that you can go to get really good, useful advice. So it's helped me massively.
What does that advice look like? How does that transpire?
It could be, for example, like how much a refurb would cost, or certain legalities that you might need advice, like legally, or you've got a new project and you've not done that project before. Yeah, certain people for that.
And what about like the community?
Community is really good. Everyone's just like pushes each other. Um, Everyone just gives you encouragement, and they also hold you to account when you're not doing something. So you kind of need that to give you that bit more of an edge.
And would you recommend it to someone like looking to sell property?
Yeah, definitely. I'd definitely recommend like looking into the crash course, get yourself on the crash course, seeing you get a little taste of it, and then going on to the academy. I'll definitely recommend it.
What's your plans in property?
I've got one rent to rent. I'm looking to expand that, and to hopefully my main goal is to like get a BRR project.